This is a review of the Marsauto D2S HID bulbs that I'm going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be, opening it up and showing you guys what you get inside. And in this review, we are going to open it up and show you guys more in depth about these HID bulbs. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so here's what you get inside. It comes as a pair, so a set of 2 of HID bulbs that is in the white color. That, it comes with the instruction manual guide in case you want to learn more information about it or the install steps. But let's take these bulbs out to show you guys more in depth about it. So it also comes with the gloves as well too, which is a huge plus. So that way you don't get your hands dirty when you do the install. But other than that, these bulbs right over here, they are extremely high quality. I just love the way these bulbs, they're, the quality of it is really, easy. It looks very easy to install as well too. You can see the bulbs right over here. It looks really high quality as well too. Put this to the side and show you guys this one right over here. So I take this one out and this is the bulb itself. And here it comes with it's a grommet to close it up once you are finished with your install. Don't forget to close this as well too when you put your new one on. But other than that, I would definitely recommend these bulbs. If you are looking for a replacement set of bulbs, then the Marsauto HID bulbs would definitely brighten up your headlights, because by looking at it themselves, they look extremely high quality and it looks very durable as well too. The quality feels very amazing as well too as I'm holding it. And yeah, I would definitely recommend these bulbs if you are looking for a replacement set for your bulbs and you're wanting more brightness. Then the Marsauto HID bulbs are probably one of the best bulbs that you could get.